Alright, picture this. Floating above Earth, gazing down at the blue marble from a window. Space travel sounds like a sci-fi dream, right? But trust me, it's not all zero-gravity fun and cosmic selfies. The dangers out there, they're real, unpredictable, and honestly, a little terrifying. Let's start with the obvious, the vacuum of space. Out there, there's no air, no pressure, no mercy. If your suit gets punctured or your spacecraft springs a leak, you have just seconds before things go south. Forget breathing. Your blood starts to boil, and your body expands. Yeah, not exactly the heroic spacewalk I imagined as a kid. And then, let's talk radiation. Earth's magnetic field is like a giant invisible shield, saving us from cosmic rays and solar flares. But the minute you leave the atmosphere, you're wide open. Astronauts are exposed to the kind of radiation that can damage DNA, increase cancer risk, and even mess with your brain. You can't see it, you can't feel it, but it's there, every second, every orbit. Now, you know that feeling when you get off a roller coaster and your stomach drops? Imagine that, but for months. In zero gravity, your bones lose calcium, your muscles waste away, and your fluids shift upwards, making your face puffy and your eyes go wonky. Even after months of training, astronauts return home weaker and sometimes a little taller. Seriously. But hold on, it gets even wilder. Space debris. We've littered the orbit with thousands of pieces of junk. Old satellites, rocket parts, even flecks of paint. They zip around Earth at speeds faster than a speeding bullet. A collision with one of these, game over for your spacecraft. And then there's the mental side no one really talks about. Imagine being crammed in a tin can, millions of miles from home, with just a handful of people for company. No fresh air, no sunlight, and no way to step outside for a breather. Over time, even the toughest astronauts can feel isolated, anxious, or downright homesick. But here's the thing, knowing all this, people still sign up for the adventure. Space travel is dangerous, sure, but it's also mind-blowingly inspiring. Every time we launch into the unknown, we learn more about the universe and about ourselves. So next time you see a rocket blasting off, remember, behind the thrill and the glory are real risks and brave souls willing to face them. That's the price of exploring the final frontier. And honestly, it's a price some of us are more than willing to pay.